In 1992, a company took the exact same tools that professional contractors had already rejected, repainted them yellow, and watched sales explode to nearly $1 billion. The tools inside were identical. Not similar, identical. That same psychology is running on you right now at the tool truck. Today, I'm exposing 5 specific tools coming out of the same Taiwanese precision forges as your favorite premium brands, and showing you exactly where to buy them for 70% less. Let's get into it. Here is what most people in this industry will never tell you. There is a geographic corridor at the foot of Mount Dadu in Taichung City, Taiwan, that the industry quietly calls the Golden Valley. Over 2,100 dedicated hand tool manufacturing facilities, nearly 48,000 specialized workers, an annual output value exceeding 900 billion new Taiwan dollars. And in January of 2026 alone, Taiwan exported $156 million worth of machine tools, a 15.7% jump year over year. This is not a budget manufacturing hub. This is the most advanced, most densely concentrated precision forging cluster on the planet. And the brands you are paying a 400% markup for, they are sourcing from the exact same zip code. The forge shops in this corridor are not assembling cheap knockoffs from outsourced blueprints. They are engineering proprietary ratcheting mechanisms. They are filing international utility patents. They are running CR3+ electroplating lines, solar energy storage systems, and wastewater treatment facilities to meet the strictest international sustainability mandates from retailers like Home Depot and Lowe's. These are not sweatshops. These are advanced engineering laboratories, and once you understand that, the tool truck math stops making any sense at all. Tool number 1, the extra long double box flex head ratcheting wrench set. Every professional mechanic knows this tool. Extended body, articulating heads built for serpentine belt tensioners and deeply recessed engine bay fasteners that a standard wrench simply cannot reach. The OEM pattern behind many of these sets traces back to Kabo Tool Company, a premier Taiwanese forge that supplies numerous global brands. Professional users have documented the shared design language between these high-end sets and the tools sold under various private label brands. Here is what Kabo actually builds into this wrench. The body is forged from high-strength alloy steel for maximum leverage. The ratcheting mechanism runs a 90-tooth gear, which means you only need a 4-degree arc to engage the next tooth. In a cramped engine bay, that is not a convenience feature. That is the difference between finishing the job and throwing the wrench across the shop. The box end uses a patented spline-style design that grips fasteners up to 50% rounded off, and every unit ships compliant with ISO 6789, US Federal GGG-W-686D, and ANSI Spec B107.14M. Now here's the number that should make you put down the tool truck catalog. Matco's long double box flex head set, built on this exact Kabo pattern with minor aesthetic variations like a custom directional lever, retails between $357 and $411. The Mountain branded equivalent, same Taiwanese forge, same 90-tooth mechanism, same alloy steel body, runs approximately $200. The Harbor Freight Icon version sits at $224. That is the same steel, the same engineering, the same 4-degree arc swing for roughly half the price. And here is the detail that veteran technicians on the forums will not stop talking about. When Matco discontinued their Legacy X wrenches, dealers started swapping them out under warranty with gear wrench or Kabo equivalents. The only difference anyone could find was the name stamped into the handle. That is not a coincidence. That is the supply chain telling you the truth. Tool number 2, the 3/8-inch drive sealed head ratchet. This is the most used tool in any mechanic's cart. And for decades, Snap-on has owned this category with near mythological status, charging between $189 and $200 for their long-handle flex-head Dual 80 variant. But a Taiwanese manufacturer called Infar Industrial Company, founded in 1978, 350 workers, 25 million precision wrenches produced annually, engineered a direct competitor that does not just match the Snap-on, it beats it on the dyno. The Harbor Freight Icon G2 came out of Infar's facility, built to challenge Snap-on's dominance head-on. In controlled independent testing, these ratchets have been pushed to structural failure. Testing has shown that the Icon G2 design maintains structural integrity at torque levels that rival or exceed legacy professional ratchets. Both ratchets run an 80-tooth gear with a 4.5-degree arc swing and engage 7 teeth simultaneously through split-pawl technology. But on the test block, the Icon G2 measured a gearback drag of only 6 ounces, while the Snap-on registered 9. Lower is better. The cheaper tool won. The Icon G2 also ships with a fully sealed head to block debris, a revised locking flex mechanism with 5 contact points and a 132-degree locking range, and a 2-piece switch lever to prevent accidental auto-reversing. The body is forged chrome moly. The gear is nickel chrome molybdenum. The grip is chemical-resistant thermoplastic volcanizates. This is not a budget tool wearing a budget tool's clothing. This is a precision instrument wearing a $59 price tag. And here is the cheat code that almost nobody talks about. Some Icon G2 ratchets ship from the Taiwanese factory bone dry. No lubrication applied during final assembly to cut costs on the production line. Open the faceplate, apply 3 drops of Super Lube ISO 150, and the ratchet achieves the identical silky smooth acoustic feedback of the $200 Snap-on. Same feel, same sound. $140 still in your pocket. Tool number 3, stubby Torx and hex bit socket sets. Modern automotive repair, especially on German vehicles and tight front-wheel drive engine bays, demands low-profile bit sockets every single day. And in this specific category, one OEM sits at the top of the entire industry: Vim Tools. Their half-cut, low-profile S2 steel bit sockets are engineered to be 30% stronger than standard bits while fitting into clearances that standard drivers simply cannot access. Vim Tools is the hidden architect behind some of the most aggressively marked up sets on any tool truck. The Bluepoint 1/4 inch drive Torx Stubby, bit socket set that is Snap-on sub-brand, and comparable Matco Stubby sets share the same case layouts, the same bit profiles, and the same S2 steel construction as the Vim originals. Professional technicians who have done the teardowns are not subtle about it. They call the tool truck versions the exact same items, just with a different name and a dramatically different price. The Vim Tools MMS 450 50-piece master bit set runs approximately $138 through standard commercial supply channels. The Bluepoint 10-piece equivalent retails at $102. The larger 87-piece Bluepoint combination set pushes past $630. You are paying more money for fewer tools sourced from the same manufacturing ecosystem because the name on the blow-molded case says Snap-on instead of Vim. That is not a value proposition. That is a branding tax. Tool number 4. The 1/2 inch drive digital torque wrench. The shift from click-type micrometer wrenches to electronic strain gauge torque wrenches is one of the most significant technological upgrades in modern mechanical work. And Taiwanese engineering, specifically patents held by Liawei Hand Tool Corporation, sits at the foundation of this entire product category globally. In 1996, the Danaher Tool Group, now Apex Tool Group, and the parent company of Gear Wrench, partnered directly with Liawei to bring advanced ratcheting and torque technology to the American market. The Snap-on Tech Angle is the gold standard. Tactile vibratory feedback, progressive LED warning lights, extreme durability. It also retails between $489 and $599. The Gear Wrench 1/2 inch electronic torque wrench model 85077 runs $199 and delivers a guaranteed plus or minus 2% accuracy, the exact same specification as the Snap-on. Project Farm ran independent testing at 50, 150 and 250 foot-pounds, then stress-tested calibration retention across 1,000 extreme cycles. The gear wrench held its own against the snap-on at every data point. The honest caveat, and this channel will always give you the honest caveat, is that the snap-on tech angle has a demonstrably more compact head design, which matters in tight engine bays and better progressive LED indicators. If you are working in extreme confined spaces daily, that $400 premium might be a legitimate professional calculation. But if you are a technician who needs calibrated, accurate torque application and wants to keep $400 in their pocket, the Taiwanese-sourced gear wrench delivers the same measured result. The data does not lie. Tool number 5. Wrench extenders and heavy-duty striking scrapers. This last category is the one that removes every remaining excuse for the tool truck markup, because this is not about complex ratcheting mechanisms or precision gear tolerances. This is about a forged chunk of steel and a plastic handle. Vim Tools manufactures the WE15, a 15-inch wrench extender forged from chrome-plated CRV steel with a polycarbonate, oil-resistant slip handle. Cornwell sells this exact pattern as the CTGWE15. It shows up on Mac Tools trucks under their own branding. The Vim original retails between $39 and $41 online. The tool truck version inflates that price significantly for the same forged steel, the same handle, the same dimensions. Vim also produces a heavy-duty dual-bevel striking scraper with a heat-treated stainless steel blade running fully through the handle to a striking cap. Matco sells this scraper set for $154. The Vim original runs $64. That is a $90 premium on a scraper, not a ratchet, not a torque wrench. A scraper. This is the most important data point in this entire video, because it proves that the tool truck tax is not a premium for superior metallurgy or proprietary engineering. It is a premium for the truck pulling into your parking lot every Tuesday morning, the weekly payment plan, and the name stamped into the steel. Those are real services with real value for the flat-rate mechanic who cannot afford downtime. But for everyone else, the apprentice drowning in tool debt, the serious DIYer, the technician who just wants the best tool for the job, the Taiwanese precision forges have already built your cheat code. The Golden Valley made the tool. The truck just delivered the invoice. If this is the kind of corporate forensics that you want more of, hit subscribe, because we are just getting started.